Hey, what is orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot!
You're actually so funny, I can't.
Oh, you have such a cute laugh. What the hell?
That's the first time someone's ever told me that.
What? Anyways, I've got another joke. What did the janitor say when he jumped out the closet? Supplies! What the hell was that? Yo, can you chow? It's not that funny, like.
I'm literally gonna piss myself, I can't.
Please don't. We're in public, please don't. Stop it. Shh. Bro, the joke was not that funny, like, chill out, please, just chill out. Bro, you having a stroke? Do I need to call 911? What's going on?